Hi all. It's been a little while. I'm not going to get into all the details, but there's been some major things going on here. Well, Lily's gone, and so, it was a pretty sad thing. She just got sick. She couldn't handle it anymore. So that was one thing. We were taking a camper off the truck to use the truck to haul some wood and stuff. We had to go down to the valley and pick up a bunch of paneling and stuff. Cheryl next door is redoing her house, siding and all, so I've been back and forth doing that. In the process of taking it out, one of the jacks on the right front gave way, and the brace that we had on the back gave way as well. Over it went. Did a lot of damage. Took the freezer. It won't run anymore. Brand new one. If you guys, some of you might remember that. It won't run. It's locked up. Needs another compressor. I'm not going to spend $500 on a $200 freezer. So, what else? The stove is the only thing that worked. The refrigerator quit. I did find, it needs a gas valve. I did find a refrigerator in a junkyard down in the valley that would work. They wanted $400 and almost $500 for it. I said, all I need is the gas valve, and they said, well, we can't part that out. You have to buy the whole thing. I'm not going to do that. So, what else is going on? Well, the furnace doesn't work, and when the camper fell out, it cracked the black tank, and it's a pretty good sized crack. It won't hold any water or anything. So, and then the potable water tank is gone. It's missing. So some of you guys might remember I've had to carry 5-gallon jugs of water, which that's fine. It works just as well. So yeah, it's just not worth trying to fix it up, and I'm not in a position right now to go out and buy a brand new one. It's just ridiculous. I'm not going to do that either. So I bought a tent. It's the Coleman 8 8-man tent, pretty big, guaranteed not to leak, all that stuff. So I bought that, and I've been currently loading up the pickup bed with stuff. I'm running out of room pretty quick. I can't believe how much stuff was in that camper. No wonder it was so heavy. So I'm running out of room in the bed. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I put some stuff in the cab, and all that. I've done that before. So, but I got the essentials in there. I got the the propane tanks, all the batteries, all the solar panels, and a few odds and ends here and there. So, the rest of the stuff we'll have to either, make a decision on whether to leave it or try to stuff it in the cab. Yeah, what I need is a little trailer that I can pull behind the truck, but I'm not in a position to do that right now either. So, anyway, I just want to do a quick update on this. I got, I did the best I could with the pictures on that. The cameras and all that stuff are packed. This one here, it doesn't take very good photos, so I use the camera phone. Better than nothing, I guess. So take a look at those pictures and let me know what you guys think. I'm really looking forward to being in the mountains again. I planned on going on the 10th, but that didn't happen. So I'll be ready to go Tuesday, maybe Wednesday, maybe even Friday. I'm no guarantees. I got one thing coming yet that I kind of need, so I'll have to wait for that. Said it's going to be here between Wednesday and Friday, so maybe it'll be Monday. I don't know. Anyway, I am packed and almost ready to go, so you guys stay tuned. I'm going to get up there and hang out for a few weeks or months and see what happens. Y'all take care. I'm in the process of rebuilding the channel. Been losing some subscribers. simply the lack of activity on this channel. So they're about to get it started again, heading for the mountains very shortly. So I would appreciate it if you'd subscribe and click on that little bell there, so you'll get notified of new videos. Now let's build this thing again.